I'm gonna show you something. I just washed it because I used it again, but this thing has a punch. If you're gonna use it for your cats or dogs, this is perfect for you guys. All right, now let me explain to you. This one right here is rechargeable. All right, it doesn't have to be connected, but it gives you extra battery, and it conserves battery because there is a motion detection. All right, that means that when they're walking over, this thing starts pumping water into the system. All right, sensor starts pushing the water out. All right, you could disable that, you could keep it on and off, or you could keep it plugged in. There's a USB for it that you can always keep it plugged in. Now let me show you the internals of this because that's where the magic happens. So I'm going to tell you an incident. My cat brought extra food in here, and it was one thing that I wanted to make sure she was getting clean water. And the best thing about it, I'm going to show you guys. There's actually a filter. I cleaned it up right now, but there was a filter. You can see some of the food that particles that went in there and did not go through the actual water. It was only clean water was coming out of here, right? And this is filtering the water. Everything that was coming out, it was filtering it. It was keeping it nice and clean. Now, another great thing about it is that you can see how much water you need, all right? Maximum, minimum to maximum. It has UV light, so it could kill any bacteria or anything in there, which I love about that. Now, this thing belongs on the other way, all right? Because it's still wet, you guys notice, but plenty of space for dogs or cats. Cats like moving water. This is perfect when you put it up there. And this is very simple to put together. I mean, it's just 2 pieces. And of course, the cables is an optional to keep it on right now. Sideways. Look at that. Easy. And any kind of motion that passes by, the thing starts dripping. So this is perfect for your cats, dogs, especially on moving water. This is beautiful. I like it. I like to hear the water. It's soothing. Cats like to drink out of moving water too. Dogs love it too. All right, here's a water fountain. You get close enough, it turns on. I like that they give you the UV light. It keeps a clean water, and any movement in front of it, you could even set up timers to automatically run.